In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Lightroom presets on Sellfy. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just someone with a flair for editing, turning your custom Lightroom presets into a source of income is a fantastic way to share your creativity and earn a little extra. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to the Sellfy website. You'll need to sign up for an account if you're new to the platform, or simply log in if you already have one. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the Sellfy dashboard, which is essentially your command center. It's where you'll manage all your products and track your sales. Now, from the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Products section. Here, you should see an option to Add a new product. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of product you're adding. Since we're selling digital goods today, select Digital Product. Next comes the step where you upload your preset file. Make sure you've got your presets compiled into a single zip file. This should have been prepared in the initial stages of your product development. Once you upload it to Sellfy, the platform will securely host and handle the delivery for each purchase. This takes a lot of hassle off your shoulders, allowing you to focus more on marketing and engagement with your audience. After your file is uploaded, it's time to enter some key product details. Start by giving your product a catchy and descriptive title. Something like Boho Warmth Preset Pack, 10 mobile and desktop presets, works well as it provides potential buyers with an idea of what they're getting. Next, you'll fill in the description. This is your chance to highlight what makes your presets special. Talk about the mood or style they evoke. Maybe they're perfect for sunny travel photos, or perhaps they bring out the best in portraits. Also, don't forget to mention the formats they're compatible with, like RAW and JPEG, and note that Adobe Lightroom is required. Price points are crucial. Decide how much you want to charge for your presets. Sellfy offers flexibility here. You can set a fixed price, allow people to download a preset for free, or even use their Pay What You Want feature, which lets the buyers decide the price. Before wrapping up, configure some additional options. Determine your product category, whether it be photography or graphic design. Consider enabling options that set limits on the number of downloads per buyer. This can create a sense of scarcity and urgency. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, hit Save Product or Publish. This final step makes your Lightroom presets go live in your Sellfy store, ready for the world to discover. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting your Lightroom presets out there and starting on your path to selling on Sellfy. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with patience and effort, your hard work will start to pay off.